Okay, so today we're going to do the baby freeze. Now they call it the baby freeze because apparently it's meant to be the easiest breakdancer move, but it's not, it's really hard. So we're going to start off actually by warming up our wrists. So we have to warm up like in acro. We have to make the spaghetti, the meatballs, the salt, and the pepper, and the sauce. Some more sauce. Let's wash our hands all the way. You know how we're going to wash our hands now. We're all experts. And we shake it off. Oh, we've got the cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. Unless it's Evie, because Evie doesn't like cheese. So cheese, 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 cheese. Wash your hands again. And eat it all. Good. So our wrists are nice and warm. Yes? So you have to make sure your wrists are nice and warm. There we go. That's good. Okay, so when we are doing this baby freeze, ideally do it on carpet. If you have a mat, even better. If you've got like an acro mat or anything like that, that's fantastic. We don't want to have any weight on our head when we do the baby freeze, but just have something soft there, just in case you take your weight too far over and you hit your head. Okay, so let's do it. So we're going to start. I am not going to mirror you this time. So if I say my right hand, this is my right hand. It looks like my left hand on the screen because it's in reverse, but I'm just going to say my right hand today. So if you're right-handed, you want your right hand at the back. If you're left-handed, you have to go the other way. You've got to have your left hand at the back. Okay? So I am better on my right-hand side, so I'm going to do my right. So the right elbow has to go into the right hip. So that elbow is digging into the hip here, and there's going to be a lot of weight put on this joint here, so you have to be really strong here. And when I say the elbow, you want to try and get some of the tricep in there as well. So we hold it nice and tight there. Then the left hand has to come all the way over and try and get as far as you can over there. If you're like this, once the pressure of the floor hits, your leg's going to come off and you're not going to be able to hold the weight. So you need to have that lever, so you need to get that arm as far over as possible, okay? And you need to think about pushing the weight over. So we're going to start. We're going to put our right hand into our right hip. The left hand goes over. We clap our hands, so then we know that we're in the right position here, yeah? So we are going to put our hands down, and what we're going to do is like a seesaw. So you have your hands and your legs and your head. Now you need to seesaw over, so you push the weight slightly over until the legs are up in the air. So that is our stage one of the baby. So the head should be resting on the floor, but it shouldn't have any weight on the floor. It should just be resting, just touching, yeah? Just to keep you balanced, not keeping any weight. All the weight should be in the wrist, elbows, and connected to your leg there, yeah? So there's two ways to start. You can start with your legs off like this, or you can have your tippy toes like this, okay? I'm going to start with my knee down. And I'll come down here. So I clap my hands so I know my hand's in the right position. My fingers are facing outwards. I go down into position. I feel my weight first. So go, yeah, I don't feel like I've got enough of my weight, so I'm going to take my weight off. Yeah, that's good. I can feel the weight pushing down here. Okay, then from here, just tilt, push, push, push until you're in the baby freeze position. You hold that for a couple of seconds, then come back down off it. Yeah? So again, elbow to hip, or the side. Some people like to do a little bit higher. Left elbow into the quad area, the side of the quad or the knee area. And then we're putting our hands down, transferring the weight there. Let's give it one more go. So go. Elbow over as far as possible. Elbow in the side. Good. Into position. And there we go. Fantastic. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you got that. Keep on practicing and send me your pictures if you've got it. Send them in the comments because we love seeing how you're getting on. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.